Secret tricks to make your ex regret losing you. Attempting to make your ex regret losing you can be emotionally challenging and potentially counterproductive. Instead of seeking revenge or trying to manipulate someone's feelings, it's healthier to focus on personal growth, healing, and moving forward. Here are some tricks to help you regain your self-confidence, heal, and potentially leave a positive impression on your ex. No contact. Give yourself and your ex some space by implementing a period of no contact. This allows both of you to process your emotions and gain perspective on the relationship. Self-improvement. Concentrate on personal growth by setting and working towards your goals, whether they're related to your career, health, or hobbies. Self-improvement can boost your self-esteem and confidence. Maintain dignity. Refrain from engaging in negative or destructive behaviors like revenge, excessive drinking, or self-pity. Instead, show maturity and self-respect in your actions. Positive social life. Reconnect with friends and family, and engage in social activities. This can help you rebuild your support network and maintain a fulfilling social life. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to cope with a breakup, consider speaking to a therapist or counselor to process your emotions and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Focus on your happiness. Your happiness should not depend on your ex's regret. Focus on what makes you happy and fulfilled, and let your happiness shine through your actions and demeanor. New interests. Explore new hobbies or activities to broaden your horizons and potentially meet new people. This can help you rediscover your passions and interests. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating well, exercising, and getting enough rest. This can improve your physical and mental well-being. Forgiveness. Forgiving your ex, not necessarily for their benefit but for your own peace of mind, can be liberating. Holding on to anger or resentment can be harmful to your well-being. Stay classy. If you happen to encounter your ex, remain polite and respectful. Acting with dignity will leave a lasting impression and may lead to more constructive post-breakup interactions. Reflect and learn. Take time to reflect on the relationship and what you've learned from it. Use this as an opportunity for personal growth and self-awareness. Gratitude. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and be grateful for the experiences that have made you who you are today. Dating at your pace. If you decide to start dating again, do it at your own pace. Don't rush into a new relationship before you're ready. Remember that making your ex regret losing you should not be your primary goal. It's healthier to focus on your well-being, personal growth, and happiness. If reconciliation is meant to happen, it should be based on genuine feelings and mutual understanding, rather than manipulative tactics. Ultimately, you deserve to be with someone who appreciates you for who you are, and your self-improvement and personal growth will lead you to better and more fulfilling relationships.